I am now doing this, and I'm gonna give you the name of this. It's something gray, but you see the contrast from that to that. Alright guys, this is my progress thus far. I finally got my mount hung. Outside of this video, when you get the next video, you will see lamps, credenza, rug, accent chair, and a few more little accessories. I am waiting on a couple of items from Z Gallery, and they keep giving me a notification because of the wildfires, you guys. Everything is taking a little bit longer, but we're finna get started. I do have my nephew stopping by so we can put this TV back on the wall. My curtains are hung. I had the gray up, and I just felt like it was a little, just a little too much. Look at that, look at that. So now what we are doing next is I am going to put the pillow covers on the chair, and there are all of those pillow covers. Don't forget, check out that haul video. I'm going to include those links too in this video here as well. These are my lights I took down. Do you see the light sequence? See how much space in between each light? I think I'm going to use these back up. I do have different sets of the new one, and I'm going to show you. This one is kind of more in line with this. Then I have these two. And you see how far spaced this out? This for sure is a no-go for me. Then I have this one that is still spaced quite a bit. I don't like those. And probably going to attempt to put this one back up, and I have my lights back up. And I'm going to fix my cord here for the light box that goes on the back. We're gonna fix that, plug up the TV. Like I say, I'm doing stuff a little different. It looks like I'm doing more stuff that's more chaotic, but we're almost at the finish line. I'm gonna straighten the TV cord. Then I'm going to hang my picture back, put up my sconces, put my pictures up here, do my chair covers. You see the pillows are already on. I am going to temporarily put out my fluffy shack rug, and we're going to go from there. But this is what we're looking like right now. And what I want back, I wanted the same scale. Now, as you can see, it's just a tad bit shorter. It can go further up and come down just an inch or so more, but I still need it to at least be this scale, or I can scale it up some. I don't want anything smaller than that on this wall here because of the placement of the couch. Make sure you do go back and catch the haul video for the items that we did get for the space. Alright, you guys, I'm going to put up my pictures. Now, these pictures are tremendously big, and I don't a lot of times like to use the hanging wire, because with the thinner grade, against your nail, because I will hang these up off of a screw. So, and typically I might measure it, but I'm going to just run my jute cord, tie it so I can just do one row and just center the pictures that way. Look at that, you guys. Now this does bear a resemblance to this wall here, but I think your girl did good measuring that. And I'm leaving this open because this chair is already out of position and I don't want it in line because it will push it more this way. And I'm okay with the space of the table being here so that I can still have a symmetrical flow going this way, even though this is a little offset. And I'm going to fix that by adding my sconces back in. That is the space, the space, the space. It is coming together, you guys. Coming together. I'm not going to bed until we finish. I am going to actually set up my end tables, then fix the chair, then place the pillows. And now the reveal. Drop me a comment if this inspired you